Hello and welcome to Tell Me It Works. In this video we will be looking at the Doctor Who 11 Sonic Screwdriver toy. So stay tuned. Alright, as I stated, this is the Doctor Who 11 Sonic Screwdriver. As you can see, it's in good condition. Maybe a few little ice marks like right there, but nothing bad, like paint wear. And right there, not much, not noticeable. As you can see, this is the, let's see if we can get it. This is the button to make this come out. To make the light come on. As you hear it, the sound, and also the light. There we go. And then this button right there at the top lets that out. There's also a little button that when you close this down, which makes this light up. See, like if I press, hold on, get my camera right. See that button right there? As well. Also, there's another like hidden compartment right here. It's another red button. To make it goes off as well. But other than that, the batteries and all that is included. This is made by Underground Toys. I only watched Doctor Who a few times, and I can honestly say I enjoyed the show. Got to get back into it, so it'll be something I'll binge watch. But yes, this is a great toy to have with your Doctor Who collections. So I appreciate you guys for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. But until then, stay safe, stay warm, and God bless. Peace.